thought it was a good idea. It's a nice, cool morning, kind of humid. There's a chance of rain. It's very windy. And I've been sawing cedar for the goats. And when I would bring it over to the buck paddock, Houston got all excited and acted like he wanted to play with Prairie, who I had with me. So since I'm done sawing cedar branches, and so I let Prairie off to play with Houston, let Houston off, and I was going to do some work right around this paddock. But I didn't know about this hole. Now, there had been a hole here once before, and I repaired it, and I assumed it was still repaired. Apparently, the goats have unrepaired it. I now have two dogs. One went south, and the other one went north. I was given these sausages from somebody. I don't know how old they were. They had been in their freezer. They've been around for a while. So I've been using them as dog treats. And right now, when a dog comes near, they're going to be bribery. So hopefully they'll return shortly. In the meantime, I think I'm going to do some more fence repair. Well, I just found a piece of scrap fence and I've wired it to the hole. It was bigger than I needed, but then I decided it was probably better because it would, it was tearing from this post right here, and this just blocks the whole area. So nobody's gonna mess with this corner anymore. At least I hope not. I can't imagine anybody messing. Yeah, I think you'd need wire cutters to get through it, honestly. But I'm now done with this hole, and I can go on to my next job.